Hi guys, welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. I haven't had time to do a lot of scrapbooking lately, but I have jumped in on a few grab bag deals that have been going on right now. Some of the smaller scrapbooking stores are having like these sales or their warehouse clean out because they're not as busy right now and sales are down. So I ordered the grab bag from Freckled Fawn. It was like a warehouse grab bag, $25 for everything in here. And I didn't get to pick out everything that was in here, and I have already opened it and looked at it. But it's pretty cool. I like everything that I got. I was pretty impressed with like all the letter stickers that I got, and you'll see them in just a minute. But because as you know, those can get quite pricey. So I'm going to show you everything that I got in the grab bag. These are like a pearlescent white. They kind of like are coming across somewhat purple in here, but they are white. It's like a pearlescent white. I don't know if I can get the true color or not, but love those. And then these are gold ones, same type of letter sticker. This is like the mini market type square alphabet stickers, and this is fuchsia, kind of fuchsia or magenta with gold. These are cardstock stickers, and they're yellow and white. And I don't know, is there, no, it's just one-sided. These are more like the mini market. These are different colors, and they look like they're fall, probably from their fall collection. Couple different fonts on there. This is a hunter green. This is one of my favorite fonts, actually. These are some larger cardstock stickers in different patterns. Greens and teals. Love those. And these are kind of a goldenrod color. That same font that I like so much. There's quite a lot of letter stickers. And these are red, same font that I love. And these are light blue on navy. I think it's kind of a navy. No, it's more of a, like a dark teal or sea green type color. Kind of like that that nautical blue green. And then I got a bunch of washi tape stickers. This would be from their fall line. Love those. I'm not sure what line this is from. Probably Christmas. Maybe. I'm not sure. And then tons of label stickers, which I love labels. They're so versatile. So this is probably fall just because there's a leaf on there. Well, and it says autumn memories. And this one's Be Here Now. This might be from their back to school line. I'm not sure because I haven't subscribed to Freckled Fawn in years, like major years, but I do like to take part in their grab bags because it's a really good deal. This says, "This is magic on this day." I'm guessing this is from their summer line. It doesn't really say, it doesn't specify. This says, yes, girl, yes. Good job. Those are washi tape stickers. This is probably from their January line, or maybe school. Could be from September, I'm not sure. You and Me 2019, and a bunch of labels. And this is probably from their school line. Probably September. Their September kit. Get it done. More labels. These are just plain. I love labels. They're so good for journaling on. This is like just black and gray. Really like that heart one. And then this is a Christmas one, and I think that I've had this one before, but I don't know. These are chipboard stickers, because I remember those glittery hearts, but I could have gotten it in a different grab bag somewhere along the line. And then some really pretty enamel dots, which are always useful. And then some corkboard stickers that are just arrows. That was just a thank you gift. And then I got 4 washi tapes. So this one is a bunch of arrows, and I think I've gotten this one before when I used to subscribe. Some of these things I think are a few years old, because I have a washi tape very similar to this, but I'm not sure that it's from Freckled Fawn. I'm not sure, but. And then a plaid, and you know that I like a good plaid. This is like a blue and gray and purple. And here's another plaid, just like pinks and reds and browns. And then this one says, Love at First Sight, I think. The Good Life. Bunch of stuff. So that's it. That's all of everything that I got in the grab bag for $25. I think it was a pretty good deal. I really do. I think that I got my money's worth, definitely. Their smaller grab bags are $5, but you don't get as much stuff. So, and they sell out of these super, super fast. So this one is done. Usually they will advertise a grab bag on a Friday, and it'll be over with on Sunday. They go super, super fast. So you want to grab them super fast, like Peachy Cheeps as well. They're so usually gone within 24 hours because they're such a good price. But yeah, like I said, I haven't had a lot of time to scrapbook because I've been doing so much homework and all that stuff and stuff around the house, being cooped up, so not really doing anything other than that. But I will catch you later. I'm hoping to do some scrapbooking this weekend if I have time. I really miss scrapbooking. I filmed a video last week of I was gonna start a series of all those kits that I made. I ended up making 13 page kits, and they're rather large. And I filmed, I'm gonna have to do like 1 page kit at a time to show you everything that I put in there, because they are quite large. There's a lot of papers in them, and they are color coordinated. So basically, I'm not going to just work out a 1 kit at a time. I'm going to find the photos that match, and then just grab the kit that matches the photos and work out of that, and then just keep putting it back. And I have a file system of where I can file those vertically, so I can see what colors they are and just grab 1 kit, making the process a little bit easier so I'm not hunting for supplies. This stuff, of course, I'll get taken apart and cut apart, like each one, and put it into like the right color scheme. Aside from the letter stickers, I have a Rascog cart that I keep all my letter stickers in. So those will go in there. But I hope you have a good week and a good weekend. And today is kind of a bummer because we were supposed to be flying out to Arizona today to visit our oldest son, but of course our flights were canceled and our trip is postponed until everything is back to normal. But so today is kind of a bummer, but that's okay, you know, rather be healthy. So but I hope you guys all have, like I said, have a good week, have a good weekend. I hope you're getting some scrapbooking done, and keep an eye out for these grab bags. Sign up for their email list. Freckled Fawn is one. PG Cheap is another one that does grab bags, or has done grab bags recently. Scrapbooking for Less, they don't normally do grab bags, but every once in a while, I mean, they'll have a dollar sale, which is really great. That was what my last video was. So now's a good time to stock up on these supplies when you can, like for very little money. So but I will talk to you later. Hope you are having fun and doing a lot of scrapbooking. Bye.